Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plan a study schedule for exams. First, gather all your exam dates and course syllabi to understand the scope of each test. Next, estimate the total study hours needed for each subject, considering the volume of material. Finally, honestly evaluate your current understanding of each topic, noting areas where you feel confident and those requiring more focused attention. This initial assessment is crucial for building an effective and personalized study plan. Now, let's structure your study time effectively. Divide your available study hours into manageable blocks, perhaps 60 to 90 minutes each, dedicated to a single subject. Remember to integrate short, 10 to 15-minute breaks after every hour of intense study to refresh your mind. It's also beneficial to alternate between different subjects throughout your day or week. This approach helps keep your brain engaged and prevents mental fatigue, making your study sessions more productive overall. To maximize your learning, employ active study techniques. Instead of just rereading, actively recall information by quizzing yourself or summarizing topics without looking at your notes. Dedicate at least 20% of your study time to practicing with past exam papers. This familiarizes you with question styles and time constraints. Furthermore, try explaining complex concepts aloud to an imaginary audience or a study partner. This method, often called the Feynman technique, significantly deepens your comprehension. Finally, consistent review and flexibility are key to success. Set aside dedicated time, perhaps 30 minutes daily, to revisit material from previous days or weeks. This spaced repetition greatly enhances long-term memory retention. Also include buffer periods, maybe 1 to 2 hours weekly, in your schedule for unforeseen delays or for spending extra time on particularly difficult subjects. Remember, your study plan is a living document. Be prepared to adjust it based on your progress and evolving needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.